Right now I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be in like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So I'm picking it up, picking it up. I'm living, I'm picking it up.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick get ready with me. I already have my face primed and moisturized, so I'm just now using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange to cover up all my blemishes and my dark spots as well. So I'm just using the foundation brush just to blend the concealer all over my face.
So we turn it up, yeah, we turn it up.
Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the color Mocha. I did use this in my last video with a beauty blender, so I'm trying it out this time with the foundation brush to see if I like it that way better. I do feel like I got a more medium coverage with the foundation brush than I did with the beauty blender, but I'm adding a little bit more to get a full coverage. I'm going to make sure to take it down a little bit down to my neck, especially since my neck is a bit darker. I want to make sure to try to match it as much as I possibly can. For my concealer is one of my all-time favorite, the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe.
So we turn it up. Point out the colors of you. I see them too, and boy, I like them. I like.
So next, I'm going to highlight using the Sephora Bright Future Gel in the color Ginger Snap. But I'm also going to add a little bit more of the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as well, since I don't want to highlight too much. Next, I am going to set under my eye with my NYC translucent powder. Now that my eyebrows are all done, I am going to start by using a burnt orange on the top of my crease.
So we turn it up. Point out the colors of you. I see them too, and boy, I like them. I like them. I like them. We way too fly to partake in all this hate. We out here vibing. We vibing. We vibing.
Next, I am going to use the Beauty Concept in the color Black. I recently grabbed this at Marshall's. I've never heard of them before, and from my research, it looked like they're a UK brand. For highlight, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the color Precious Petals. Lastly, I'm going to line my lips using the NYX lip liner in the color Brown. And I'm going to top my lip off using the Wet n Wild Make a Last lip color in Mochalicious.